Hi, WCA here for Classic Car Clips. In this episode, we're going to get our hands dirty and repair the radiator on that. Stick around to the end of the episode to see if the test drive works, and also my latest bit of camera gizmo. As you may have seen in the previous episode, my radiator has failed. This large rubber hose here has perished, so steam is pissing out of this bit, and also this little clip here has snapped off, so this hose is not attached. That is an integral part of the radiator, so the whole radiator has to come out. So today I'm going to be taking this out and videoing the process. Stay with me. There's the radiator I ordered, nice small radiator, and there's all the packaging it came in. No wonder the planet's in danger. Back to the car and drain the radiator, ready to remove it. Next we remove the electrical connector for the thermostat. Remove the radiator cap for no apparent reason and make sure you place it somewhere safe. Push the centre pin out of the plastic rivets and remove those to release the shroud from the radiator. My car's an automatic, so it has a transmission and radiator in front of the main radiator. Remove the plastic strip, and there's two bolts at the top which are easy to get to, and there's two bolts at the bottom which are complete gits. To release the radiator you need a thin screwdriver to fit into that slot. You simply push it in, leave it down, and it will clip and release. With the hoses removed and the clips unclipped, you can simply slide the radiator out. Simply slide the radiator out. Oh shit. You know those bolts I talked about earlier for the transmission cooling? Yeah, they come into play here. There are two bolts holding those pipes to the main radiator. The first you can sort of get at, the second, well, that's an absolute git. There's the tail of the bolt, but the head is between the two pipes and you simply cannot get a spanner onto it. I ended up to use my persuading tool. Absolute git. Fitting the new radiator is the reverse of removing the old one. So if it's a ball ache to take the old one out, it's going to be a pain in the ass to fit the new one, and vice versa. Just slide that back in and do up your hoses. Ow! Being cleaned up and patched by the glamorous assistant. There are a couple of bits that trip me up. There's a rubber hose behind this bit. If you don't get it tucked into the right place, it pushes the shroud back into the radiator fan, which is not good. And there are two clips holding the radiator shroud to the radiator, one there, one down the bottom. Both need to be linked in properly. Well, I've completed the test drive to check the radiator works, that's all good. So now I'm going to try the next piece. In a sneak preview, exclusive footage of my latest camera gizmo. This, my friends, is a camera slider. You mount the camera onto the plate, and it slides. If you ignore my reflection in the paintwork, you can see the slider works quite nicely. Pleased with that. I hope you like the episode. Hands not too bad. Usual things, subscribe, share, like. Any questions, just put them in the comments below. I will reply within 24 to 48 hours. What did you think of my little camera slider? Any advice on how to get it better? Okay, cheers guys.